Get doctor's appointment. Make it count. By Medical ICT Solutions. Hi everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to discuss a crucial topic on how to get doctor's appointment and make it count. We'll go through the entire process of booking a doctor's appointment, from how to do it, to the right language, and even preparing for your consultation. Doing it the wrong way can make it difficult for medical professionals to understand why your appointment is necessary, so stick around to learn the best practices. First, let's discuss the different methods of booking an appointment. There are primarily 3 ways to do this. 1. In person. Visit the doctor's office and book an appointment directly. 2. Over the phone. Call the office, and the receptionist or appointment desk will help you set up a time. 3. Online. Many clinics and hospitals now offer online portals for appointment scheduling. You'll need to create an account, and then you can book your appointment anytime, anywhere. Now, let's discuss using the right language and clarifying the purpose of your appointment. When speaking to the receptionist, be clear and concise about your health concerns. Don't downplay your symptoms or exaggerate them. Clearly explain the reason for your visit and indicate whether it's a routine checkup, a follow-up, or an urgent issue. This helps the staff prioritize appointments and allocate the appropriate time for your consultation. One of the common mistakes people make during booking is not being clear about the urgency of their appointment. If you're in severe pain or have a potentially critical condition, don't hesitate to communicate the urgency. This will help ensure you get the care you need as soon as possible. Before booking, make sure you're prepared. Have your insurance information and any necessary referral documents ready. Knowing your availability and preferred appointment times will also streamline the process. Now, let's talk about preparing for the consultation itself. Before your appointment, make a list of your symptoms, medical history, and any medications you're currently taking. This will help your doctor make a more accurate assessment of your condition. It's also essential to write down any questions you have beforehand. This ensures you won't forget important concerns during the appointment. It's okay to bring a notepad or use your phone to jot down questions or take notes during the consultation. Let's go over an example of the proper way to book a doctor's appointment. Patient. On the phone. Hi, I'd like to make an appointment with Dr. Smith. I've been experiencing severe headaches for the past week, and I'm concerned it might be related to my high blood pressure. I'm available on Tuesday or Thursday afternoon, and I would appreciate an appointment as soon as possible. Receptionist. Thank you for providing that information. We have an opening with Dr. Smith on Thursday at 2 p.m. Does that work for you? Patient. Yes, that's perfect. Thank you. Receptionist. Great. Please bring your insurance card, a list of your current medications, and any other relevant medical records. We look forward to seeing you on Thursday. As you can see, by being clear and concise about my symptoms, the urgency, and my availability, I was able to secure an appointment quickly and efficiently. To sum up, remember these key points when booking a doctor's appointment. Choose your preferred method: in person, over the phone, or online. Use clear and concise language to describe your health concerns. Communicate the urgency and reason for your appointment. Avoid common mistakes, like downplaying symptoms or not being prepared. Gather all necessary documents before booking, such as insurance information and referral letters. Prepare for your consultation by listing your symptoms, medical history, and medications. Write down any questions you have for your doctor beforehand. By following these best practices, you'll not only make the most of your appointment but also help your doctor better understand your needs and provide the best possible care. Remember, your health is essential, and making your doctor's appointment count is a crucial step in maintaining it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this information helpful, please give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and advice. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them in the comments below. Until next time, take care and stay healthy.